Ever had to deal with tricky billing situations like splitting charges between clients or transferring an outstanding balance? Today we're diving into the bill to another and bill all to another features in Visp. Make your billing process a whole lot easier. Let's start by heading to your subscribers list. Pick any subscriber and we'll go over these two scenarios: bill all to another and bill to another. Bill all to another. This handy feature lets you transfer all charges associated with the customer, like the invoices, line items, and even package charges, to a different customer's account. Here's how. If you've already opened the customer's profile, go to the Billing Options tab. Find the Bill All to Another toggle and switch it on. Type in the name of the subscriber you want to bill instead. If you need a brand new invoice for these charges, check the Add the item to a new invoice box. Hit that green check mark to save the settings. And save your changes on the account. Bill to another. Now this one's more specific. You can pick and choose individual items on an invoice and bill them to someone else. Let's see it in action. Scroll down to the invoice section on the same customer profile. Choose any item on the invoice and click on those three dots on the right and select Bill to Another. In the drawer that pops up, toggle on Bill this item to and pick your new subscriber. Again, use the Add the item to a new invoice option. You can even add a brief description to help keep things organized. Now decide, do you want to bill the full amount to the new account or just a partial amount? And finally, there's an advanced option to add the billed amount to the original customer's grace period, preventing any accidental suspensions. You'll have to confirm how you would apply the changes to the invoice charge only to future invoice charges, or both. Hit OK when you're done. And there you have it. Bill to another and bill all to another give you the flexibility to handle even the most complicated billing scenarios. No more headaches and no more confusions. Just streamlined, efficient billing. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful videos.